Want to build a powerful, high converting e-commerce website or need fast, clean, SEO-optimized online store? I've got you covered. I specialize in building e-commerce website using woodmart and flatsome WooCommerce store to drive your sales and success. Your store will be fully functional and conversion focused, modern and mobile responsive, speed, secure and SEO friendly. Also, we will set up advanced payment gateway, live chat and social media integration. With 8+ years of experience, I craft a lot of WooCommerce sites that attract customer and boost revenue. Why choose me? You will get high quality work, 100% satisfaction. Also, we will clear your confusion and concept. As a bonus, we will provide keyword research plus complete one-page SEO with RankMath or Yoast SEO. So ready to turn your vision into reality? Order now or message me to discuss your project. Let's build your dream e-commerce website today.